Ladies and gentlemen, you've been dreaming about passing on a freshly made lunch to the kids playing across your home in the playground of the school? Yes, the dreams are coming to the reality. With 17 Lancefield Drive, Caroline Spring, just across Southern Cross Grammar School. Big property, big land, prime location. All your family requirements are going to be ticked. Come and check this beauty. Spacious master bedroom at the front with walk-in robe and large shower ensuite. You were planning to have a home office? We have front study with door or a possible fifth bedroom. And look at this stunning kitchen with Caesar stone waterfall bench top, 900 all-in-one gas cooktop and large walk-in pantry. Massive family lounge, and look at the size of the dining. You got a large family, no problem at all. Forget about your movie theater. This home theater room is perfect for your family. Not only 640 square meters of prime land across Southern Cross Grammar School, 17 Lancefield Drive, Caroline Spring has got genuine 3-car garage, third one with a side access as well. With 38 square, you can't go wrong with your large family requirement. This is Raj Bakshi from Area Specialist. Looking forward to see you.